What's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to take a minute here to talk about Bank of America Corporation. I really like the way it's starting to set up here, and I kind of want to talk about it a little bit. So, figured let's just take a minute. This won't take very long. I appreciate your time as always. And we've been kind of trending here to the upside, and I really genuinely like the setup. Now, I've removed all the what many would consider overwhelming technical analysis and just broke it down to the things that ultimately matter here. And what matters is volume and price action. You can see, obviously, the past couple days, the volume was a little bit light as we're entering the Christmas season. But, from November on, the majority of the volume that's printed here is buying volume, right? So we have definitely interest here. Bank of America has been experiencing, rally based off of the overall market move to the upside here. Financials have been doing pretty well. But I like the technical setup, okay? We've identified, that the buyers are clearly in control, right? We've found a floor of support here where the sellers have entered the market, more than likely to take some profit, but have not been able to violate this very particular level right at about $33. We've taken a really beautiful correction here in price action. This is my ideal setup, guys. I use this setup whether I'm day trading, swing trading, or even looking to acquire a long-term position. I am looking for momentum, which is defined in the price action. I am looking for a presence of buyers. I am looking for definable support. And this area could be identified by a couple things, whether it be just a range of price action or a correction. Either way, it's still the same setup I'm looking for. And in identifying this setup, this is it, guys. If we push above, if we close on a daily basis above this correction, this floor of support here should contain any near-term selling. And I have anticipations of price pushing to 35, 37, 38 half, 40 quarter, 44 quarter, even as high as $50 if this rally continues. And defining continue, meaning as long as we don't retrace to, more importantly, close below that 33 level, any or all of these above targets are or could be entertained. Now, of course, a trade plan is necessary to effectively master any, approach to the market. I'm a big proponent of paying and protecting myself. Meaning if we got a daily settlement above this area and I had consideration for entering the market, I would want to take profit at 35 or on the approach to 35, and then I'm going to want to move my stop to my entry. If the market keeps going higher, phenomenal. If it doesn't keep going higher, I had a chance to pay and protect myself. Now, I realize this is a very near-term target here. We're not talking about a huge spread. But if you look at the majority of the candles here for Bank of America, they're not these massive moves, right? So unless we get a massive move through 35, then so be it. But if we don't, and we get a settlement somewhere in the 33 and change area, 34 area, we probably push to 35. If we overcome 35, 37, so on and so forth. These are some fairly tight profit-taking targets. This is more for the aggressive trader that's looking to book profits very quickly. But also the options trader, right? Buy a call or sell a put or whatever your approach to trading may or may not be. These would be key areas where I would be starting to liquidate my position. And if we get above 50, then guys, we're kind of off to the races. But we're quite a ways away from even having that conversation. As you can see, we ran from 25 to 33 over a period of 2 months, right? So at the pace the market's moving, that would likely take quite a period of time, probably put us into the second half of next year. But either way, I want to take the time to share this setup with you. Take the opportunity to talk about price action, talk about volume, how pairing these two components together, whether you're day trading, swing trading, even position trading, whether you're using a 3-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, a tick chart, a daily chart, or a weekly chart, applying your defined approach over and over and over again is ultimately the only way you're going to find consistency. And that consistency is the only way you're going to find profitability. So to learn more, guys, there's some links below this video. I encourage you to explore them and reach out to me.